today, while we went to arrest Ogechi,
the reason why Ogechi Njaka was arrested, everything you need to know.
We got to the hotel. Shortly, Ogechi made a post. Are you listening to me? Ogechi made a post claiming she has left the hotel. So I saw that post. Some persons shared it to me, and I kept quiet. I needed to listen to me. After some minutes, Ogechi claimed, hello? Yes? Good evening. Alright, I'm watching back. I'm on live video. So a call came into my phone immediately. I don't know where that call came in from. I don't know the number, and I don't have that number on my phone. The person called me and said that Ogechi made a call that I should be arrested, that I am an arm dealer, that they said I supply ammunition to unknown gunmen or thereabouts, and even alleged me so many other things that I may not say here now. That if they are to advise, I should leave the scene. I said, why? He said, because she said I supply arms to unknown gunmen or whatsoever. Just listen though. And I said to the man, how? They said so many things that people pay me from America and from other parts of the world. I said, what? So the thing was like trying to create panic amongst us there. Hello? Okay, sir, hold on. I'm in a meeting now. We'll get back to you shortly. Just hold on, sir. Hold on, sir. Don't be offended. I'm calling you back. So the threat was much. And after that, let me see if I can still find this number again. Another person called me. All of these numbers were of threats to me, and they were capitalizing on one thing. So there was a mistake I made, and that's why I came here to address this and to apologize to Ndibo for making this wrong utterance, because I wanted to defend myself, but maybe it was in the wrong direction, because since last night I couldn't sleep. So because she accused me of such, instead of me to respond properly when we now arrested her, I now said, you they supply arms. I mean, they use your platform quite they raise money for IPOB. It was a wrong statement. I was not supposed to do that. I was supposed to keep quiet. Either later I will address it properly, that this is what happened and this is the number that called me, and maybe address it properly. So there was an error of utterances there. So it was a mistake, and because of that, I have other things to do right now. I want to publicly tender an apology for using that particular statement. Some friends and brothers, they've called me they've brought this to my attention, and at the same time, please, I want to apologize to our people to please forgive me. It was an error making that statement. Okay? It was an error making that particular statement, and I apologize to that. That's one. So please, guys, kindly forgive. It wasn't easy. If you're under pressure and facing so many things, then you'll be in my shoes. If you're in my shoes, before you know it, you may not really understand so many things. So please, I am sorry for making that particular statement. And I know why I said that thing, because there were certain video evidences to that, but I made a mistake by referencing to it. So please kindly forgive. Kindly forgive and put that behind the bar. Let me face the real So think deep, okay? You will understand that it was a mistake. And I own up to that. Please kindly forgive. That's one. Two, in the early hours of today, we took steps. Yesterday, I had to drive down to Navy. So I had to drive down to Navy over the night myself last night, okay, to defend what is right. So anyway, I'm not here to explain to those who fail to understand. So please, I ought to apologize to Ndibo for using that particular words there. I'm very sorry for saying that. So kindly forgive and forget. Okay? That's one. Two, Ogechi has been arrested. Ogechi has been arrested and she's in custody for the sake of understanding. For the sake of understanding, I didn't make any video of her while we went there to arrest her. This arrest took us there we went there around 7 o'clock. No, around after 6 to 7. We were there till 7 a.m. and past 7. So we took our time to stay there, waited, did every of our best, although the hotel management never allowed us. But we did our best to focus and stick to what is right. Two, each here, you will understand that maybe some persons can nazo. I've been on this, there's nothing this lady has never alleged on me. So the one I just told you now that I had on call was just one of the list amongst many. Ogechi has alleged on me that, one, she said that I do arm smuggling. She said that bold. She said I am an ex-convict, of which she will have her day to prove it. And whereby it is not proved, she's going to give me, she's going to stand in for it. Anyway, I have no intentions of punishing her. I have no intentions for that. So, but because of the way things are, we have to. If Ogechi had come into the country and stay on her own, respect herself, you won't see me talk to her. But all through yesterday, I traveled and went very, very far just to work for my daily bread. So I went to look for my daily bread, and I kept watching videos. People like this were still sending me videos on WhatsApp. While she was on live video, they were saying nothing will happen, this and that, posing with the army and all that. So just want to narrate to you what happened. I moved down to Nnewi over the night. Many of you saw when I was driving and I was making videos. I made a live video till I got to where I was going, almost till I got there. I had to drop the video and continued, met with others. So we put ourselves together, made our calls, because cases were already established against her before now. At least she should prove little out of everything she has said. Upon getting to the hotel, we stayed there for hours. I never wrote. I never wrote on the internet or social media that men or members of the DSS or police or whatsoever were there. I put up petition. Jpac had some petitions already. So many other people had petitions against her already. So when she came into the country and they were bragging of having army escorting them, I know too well that having army already escorting you is an illegal outing. It's an illegal outing. So when there, we ought to get a warrant, present it to the army, and they washed off their hands. I also knew when his invitee, the person who invited him, left. I know. I didn't confront Wago. I didn't say anything. I just kept quiet. We were just focused on why we are there. Shortly, she ran into a room, locked the room. There are other things I may not say now, but at the phrase of time, I will say them because it's not everything I will say right now. I had to calm down. I'm even leaving right now to Port Harcourt. So, she ran into a room, locked the room. We checked so many rooms and all that. Of course, you can't just barge into any hotel rooms and all that. So we ought to make our findings to also know exactly the room. And while this person, you know, when people have reprobate mind, I wonder why you should pity them. She was in the room. I was the opinion that we should leave. But she was still posting. I knew she was in the room. I knew she was inside one of those rooms. Because one thing they fail to understand is, sometimes some of them goes into the room and comes out. Alright? Should I talk about the nude picture of our women this lady has posted on the internet? No matter how deep she provoked me, I never went as far as trying to go copy that her particular video that was trending online that time. I never posted it anywhere. I didn't do that. I had to ignore her and moved on with my life. If she had come into the country and stay quietly and leave, I will not have argument with her, despite having a case against her already. I will not. But they were making videos. People were, even some bloggers. I saw many of them that I don't want to mention their names right now. They were making videos saying that she's in Nigeria now. Those that wants to do anything should do it. You are trying to push men. You're trying to tell me what am I going to do, and it's wrong. It's very, very wrong. If she had come to Nigeria quietly and leave, somebody like me, I will not even talk to her. Whether she comes to Nigeria 10 times or thereabout, I may just ignore her. But establishing a case should in case of the days of accountability. That was why we went for her arrest. But because a lot of people are calling me, sending me messages, not for threats, not for threat purposes. For threat purposes, I don't apologize. I am apologizing in the purpose that this thing was wrong. It was a wrong statement, despite what somebody said to me on the call. I was not supposed to rise and now say my own in the open because I never knew that they were on camera. All right? So please, I will call you back. I will call them. So please, Ndibo, I, Honorable Prince Madabuche Nyinia, faithfully appeal to you for forgiveness. Kindly forgive me for adding the name IPOB while the arrest was going on. Please forgive me. In clear conscience, I just have to address this. Further videos and other messages that I have for you will be available tomorrow. I just have to make this quick video as suggested by many, and I have looked into it and I see fact and sense in what they said. So please, kindly forgive. When I still finish my case with Ogechi and many other persons whom are also involved in this case, I will return back here to also apologize to you guys for mentioning the name IPOB. I am very sorry. To the IPOB family, I am also sorry for making that particular utterance. I'm very sorry about that. So let me continue and face this. Okay? Let me face the particular case, and later I will still return here again to apologize to them. Alright? For those saying, somebody also called me. Another woman also called me. Different persons called me today. Some were like threatening me that if Ogechi is touched and thereabouts. Some people say, Hagebu Governor Eziokwu Ebu, na Hage Menka. Many calls. Many calls. Many calls, you know. I don't know how I can show you this. If it's wise to show you people the contacts. These are missed calls. These are missed calls. The few ones I picked, few guys, some persons were like threatening me. If anything happened to Ogechi thereabouts. I don't move with illegal team. And I don't also go for arrest unnecessarily. I don't do that. I don't do that. Some persons who called me today from the US and from different countries who were telling me that in Igbo and I hear him fonka. When she was busy bullying me, the only error, the only mistake that occurred today was that statement mentioning the name of IPOB. Mother they denying near. So that statement was wrong. But you see, in the side of arresting Ogechi Njaka, majority persons who called me today, all of them said it is right. And it was the right time to do it. Alright? So, but everybody who called me, both from abroad, from within, everywhere, was still, everybody was pointing at that statement, that utterance was very wrong. So, please, members of IPOB, kindly forgive Governor Eziokwu. I am sorry for using that particular statement. Please forgive me and give me the time, the chance to return back here to apologize to you for that. But for now, please give me little peace. Let me face this particular matter. Some people said, one person called me again, another woman called me and said that Mekofa has given order that they should release Ogechi Njaka with so many other things. And I kept asking. My own mistake to Ndibo today is just one, where I mentioned the name IPOB, which was wrong. It was wrong. Then what about Ogechi? What about Ogechi? Many people never stopped Ogechi early. You wake up, you attack somebody, an ex-convict. Where was I convicted? Nowhere. You called me a rapist. I never had a rapist case anywhere. You were saying all of these things on the social media. Sometimes I watch this lady show people's nude and women. Many of them said all manner of things. She said all manner of things against me. Even if I was running for elections and you didn't like it, you never wanted to see me run for elections, you can inbox me. I know how many persons who inboxed me. Why it has an election? Why it a election? Many of them said, advised me in the private, and I heard them. Some of the advice were also harsh. But must you go as far as labeling me a rapist? Today she was saying no manner of things. Some of you will also see that the moment she was arrested, she went live and turned the camera. They didn't know. The police didn't know that she went live. Intelligent ones amongst you will remember this video. She was still saying, pointing at me, Governor Eziokwu, you are an ex-convict. When I now said, you're going to prove this in the law court, she made a video. It seems like one of her admin deleted it. Oh my God. Hello? Yes? Yes, Omwaja, but it's not on loudspeaker, sir. Go ahead. Okay. Okay, go ahead, sir. Don't worry. No problem. Thank you, sir. I'll call you back. Thank you. Good people. Somebody but I'm deciding on a name so that he can pay my lodge or thereabouts. Then in the other way around, my statement against Ogechi that day, I mean today, that she raised money for IPOB. I didn't mean that IPOB was also a terrorist organization. I never say so. No. After all, she raised the money and she ate the money. All of you knows she raised the money and she ate the money. Then IPOB never carried arms or anything. So she also took advantage. She also took advantage of our people there. Matter no that way. But that doesn't stop me from apologizing to our people. So please, let's put this behind. Give me the opportunity to continue what I am doing on this matter. All right? So please, kindly put that behind. Ogechi said so many things. I'm thinking of scam or IPOB or washi self. Matuarea. Or was scam on her. Ogechi or was scam on her. Hello? Yes, good evening. Yes. Okay, sir. Mechama go decide no na Navy. Mechama go decide no na Navy. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Man, to go go see so many persons. So after all, Owoji who alpha IPOB raise ye go rie ya. She did. She ate it. She used Mr. Obi's case and raised the money and also ate it. She did. So am I lying? Didn't she do so? Didn't she eat monies from all those areas? Of which I even if not for as a Kamado went same party. Calls. Otakam has that call since morning. Hello. Good evening. Hello. Yes. No problem. I'm safe, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you. So she did so many things. She did so many things. The people she posted had their nude pictures on the internet and thereabout. Posted, in fact, asi nobu mado, asi nobu maka umu Ogechi. Asi nobu maka umu. Ogechi was begging today. Ogechi was begging lately this evening. She was begging. She had to beg. She had to plead, and I walked away. She has to plead after so many of those Galadima and all that. Why go left her? I left her. You see? See, so Oga threat. If Ogechi sleep for cell, oh, we will deal with you. They even went, somebody went as far as lying against Emeka for I got totally that number that woman na Emeka for any god and he release here and I grow kwa na let's bet. I said cause something and land and we and amana mo abonyi Igbo. Hello. So mo abonyi Igbo. Hello Dede, mma agba chigi back biko. Let me speak to somebody here. Don't be offended. Calls. Hello. Yes. Sir, I'm on live section. Just wait. I'll call you back, sir. I'll call you back, sir. So, on that video, I bought IPOB. Any bad name? I didn't tag them anything. Only say she raised money, but maybe I didn't complete the sentence. But all the same, if you misunderstand it, I do apologize to you. Hello? Yes. No. Yes. Yes, mommy. Yes, ma'am. Yes. So back to what I was saying. Them mad. Thank you for advising me not to follow anybody. But some of these people na Boko, I know them before. So that's it. I'm already headed there. So please, the IPOB family, Governor Eziokwu apologizes to you because you misunderstood it, and I am sorry about that. My intentions were, she raised the money and she ate the money. That was my intention. Okay? That was my intention. Please, put that behind, because what they are trying to do, their bloggers are trying to do now, but people want their sympathy. No. No. They against Mazen Namdekano, would I have gone to his court severally till tomorrow? On court case in Gadia, I will come. So those people now capitalize on it. Which one have you done? Nah, phone. Hello? Okay. Yes. Yes. I will go now. I will leave now. I'll leave now, man. I will go now. I'll go. I will not follow the road this night. I will look for some. Nah. People care for me. Sir, I'm on live video. I'll call you, sir. I'll call you. So please, I will talk to you some other time, okay? Let me even park on one junction like that, and you know people know me. Even this night now, I have come out home, they still know. So let me leave here. All right. Thank you. I'll continue. I'll continue this next time. Thank you, everyone, and good night. I'll continue. Let me get a hotel. Let me get a lodge. I'll get back to you guys. Either I'll make a live video tomorrow. I'll give you updates. I'll tell you the next thing that should be done. Alright, but if you know Ogechi has alleged one thing or the other against you, and you know you have something to say, then go ahead. Hello, sir. Please, I'll continue. Let me attend to calls.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please drop your thoughts on the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video. Like, share. Please drop your thoughts. I really want to know your thoughts, and share this video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like, comment. God bless you so much for watching. Stay connected on this channel. You won't regret.